Let's learn an easy leftover food hack today. I took out some butter, the leftover chicken, shredded it. Now I'll chop an onion. You can chop, you can slice, whatever you want, but make it into small pieces. Now heat a pan and pour some olive oil and some butter in it. Now once it sizzles, just add the chopped onion. Then some garlic and add the shredded chicken. Now a pinch of black pepper and some chili flakes, totally optional. Now just take it out on a plate, and all you need to do is just assemble the sandwich, put some cheese, the shredded chicken filling, and don't forget the mustard sauce. It really enhances the taste. And some more cheese. And now simply you just need to toast your sandwich, put some butter on the same pan. I usually brown it, I would say, to a very nice golden brown color. And just place on a plate. Cut it or not cut it, enjoy. It really tastes good. Easy chicken cheese sandwich.